Hello children, did you enjoy learning the CH words that we saw day before yesterday? What is the sound of CH? Sh. Okay, now I am going to show you 6 words. 6 very important words, 6 high usage words. You need to learn how to read and write and spell these words, okay? But I am going to show you an easy way to do this. I am going to call these words the twin CH words. Now, who is a twin? Twin is 2 children born at the same time. Okay? 2 children born from mama's stomach at the same time. So, these are brothers and sisters and they are born together. So, like that, these words that I am going to show you now, all CH words, 6 of them are twins, meaning one spelling can help you write the spelling of the second one. Shall we look at the words now? Listen very carefully, okay? CH, what's the sound? Sh. CHILD. This is not the short I sound. This is the ice cream sound. I. So I am going to draw an ice cream here so that you remember that the I is the long sound, that is I. Okay, so child. So we have just written the spelling of child. Who is a child? Kunye, koche. ഒരു കൊച്ചിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ child എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത്. So now we know how to write the spelling of the word child. CH we know. I, Mr. I, the long sound of I. Child. Now, if you know how to write the spelling of child, you can make the spelling of children. Child is one child. ഒരു കുഞ്ഞാണെങ്കിൽ child എന്നും ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ പിള്ളേരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ children ആവും. Okay? So, child means one. Children means many. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ പിള്ളേരുള്ളപ്പോൾ you say children. Look at those children. ആ പിള്ളേരെ കണ്ടോ? Look at this child. ഈ മോനെ നോക്കിക്കേ, ഈ കുഞ്ഞിനെ നോക്കിക്കേ. So child is one and children are many. So child, CHILD. Now how do you write the word children? Children എന്ന് എഴുതണമെങ്കിൽ you have to just add ren to the word child. Child ന്റെ spelling എഴുതിയിട്ട് അതിന്റെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ren. If you add ren to the word child, you will get the spelling of children. Now look at this. This is child. Now I am going to show you how to write the word children. So I will write the word child once more. ഞാൻ ഒന്നും കൂടെ child എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ട് childന്റെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ I will add children. So now I have the spelling of children. So child means one. Children means more than one. ഒരു കുട്ടിയാണെങ്കിൽ child എന്നും ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ പിള്ളേരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ children എന്നും നമ്മൾ പറയും. So now you know how to write child and children. Child, children. Okay? You understood? Now write and see. Try and write that in your book and see. Child, children. Done? Now I'm going to show you the next set of twins. A. Tea. Chaya. Tea. T-E-A is tea. നമ്മൾ ചായക്ക് പറയുന്നതാണ് tea എന്ന്. What's the spelling of tea? T-E-A. Mr. E and Mr. A. രണ്ടുപേർക്കും ചായ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും tea എന്നുള്ള വേർഡിൽ കയറിയിരിക്കും. Okay? T-E-A. Tea. Now, tea കൂടെ when CH comes, what is the word? Teach. Teach. പഠിപ്പിക്കുക. Teaching. I am trying to teach you. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. എന്താ? CH words നിങ്ങളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുക. Teach. Teach meaning പഠിപ്പിക്കുക. The teacher teaches. Teacher പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. Teach. So T-E-A. T. C-H ഇവിടെ വരുമ്പോൾ teach. Okay? So write the spelling of teach and see if it is easy. How do you remember the spelling of teach? First you will remember the spelling of T. ആദ്യം T ഓർക്കുക. T എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഓർക്കുന്നത്? T ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളത് ആരൊക്കെയാണ്? Mr. E and Mr. A. So E and A will come and stand together in the word tea. So T-E-A is tea and T-C-H kuda T kuda varumbo you will read the word as teach. Teach ennu parnal padipikya. Now how will you write the spelling? Teacher. Teacher. Who will do the teaching? The teacher teaches. So now it is very easy for you to build the word teacher. First you will have to write the word teach. T-E-A-T-C-H. Teach. And teach in the code R. See, now I have written the word teacher. Teacher. So this is how you write the spelling of teacher in the easy way. How do you remember the word? First you will remember the spelling of T. What is the spelling of T? T-E-A. So this is T and C-H is ch. So T-E-A-C-H will read as teach, and when you add R, it becomes teacher. So now you know how to write the word teach and teacher. These are both CH words. Try writing that in your book. And now the last word. This is a CK word, okay? Chick. Chick. We know the spelling of chick because we have learnt the spelling of chick in the CK word family. How will you write the word chick? Ch. Ch is CH. Ch. Ik. Ik. I-C-K. C-H-I-C-K is the spelling of chick. Now what is a chick? കോഴിക്കുഞ്ഞ്. കോഴിക്കുഞ്ഞിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ chick എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Chick. Now if you know how to write the word chick, you will also know how to write the word chicken. Chicken. What is chicken? കോഴിയുടെ ഇറച്ചിയാണ് നമ്മൾ ചിക്കൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. നമുക്കൊക്കെ അറിയാം അല്ലേ? ചിക്കനിൽ നമുക്ക് ഫ്രൈഡ് ചിക്കൻ കിട്ടും, KFCയിൽ ഫ്രൈഡ് ചിക്കൻ കിട്ടും. സോ ചിക്കൻ. ചിക്കൻ is the meat of chicks, hence കോഴിയുടെ ഇറച്ചിയാണ് ചിക്കൻ എന്ന് നമ്മൾ വിളിക്കുന്നത്. So now how will you write the word chicken? How can you learn the spelling of chicken? First you should know the spelling of chick. അത് നമുക്ക് ഓൾറെഡി അറിയാം. So chick തന്നെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് എഴുതുക. Chick. Ik. Ik is I-C-K. So chick. N. E. 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 Chick. E. N. See how easy it is to learn how to spell the word chick and chicken? Chick, ch, ik, chick, and chick. N is chicken. Isn't this a very easy way to write the spellings? Yeah. So now we saw 3 twin words with the CH starting or ending. Okay. First one, child. Child and children. Then teach and teacher. And the last one, chick and chicken. All the 6 words are important words, are high usage words. All of you sit and write these words and learn the spellings of these words the easy way. So happy learning. God bless you. Enjoy the learning. And until I see you again tomorrow with the last module of CH word family. Bye-bye children. God bless you. Bye.